Hi mga kaibigan, isa na naman pong misyon ang ating gagawin at panibagong araw upang tayo ay makapagpasaya at makapagpangiti sa ating mga kababayan sa Bani, Pangasinan. Tara, samahan niyo po kami sa aming pagbisita sa ating mahal na bayan sa bayan ng Bani, Pangasinan. Ayan, ngayon po, on the way na po kami sa barangay kung saan ang venue ng ating misyon. Kaya dyan lamang po kayo. Enjoy watching! Bago po kami mag-umpisa, kami po ay nagpapasalamat sa Poong May Kapal dahil kami po ay muli niyang ginamit para makapagpaabot ng simpleng tulong sa ating mga kababayan. Kami po ay nagpaalala muli sa ating protocols na laging magsuot ng face mask at social distancing.
Good morning guys! We're here in Bani.
Andito po kami ngayon sa Dakak Sur, Sitio Ulanan, Bani, Pangasinan at in collaboration po with Project Hope, Mr. Ricky and Efren Cambra. At samahan niyo po kami sa aming misyon ngayong panibagong araw at sana marami pa po kaming matulungan. At huwag na huwag niyo po kakalimutan ang Brings of Hope. At sana po, supportahan niyo po kami sa aming susunod na misyon.
With arms around me like a border, like the air I breathe. I'll let you in, keep me warm underneath my skin. 'Cause I'm giving in to your touch. I can never get enough. Diving deep into your ocean.
Kasama po muli natin ang ating mga kaibigan sa Project Hope para naman sa libreng eye check-up. Laking tulong po ito para sa mga kababayan natin na malalayo ang lugar at hindi na makapagpa-check up ng kanilang mga mata. Lalong-lalo na sa mga senior citizen natin na hindi na makalakad at hindi na makabiyahe dahil malayo rin ang kanilang mga lugar.
to the place where you and I were supposed to meet. 'Cause city yawns, they echo on. My thoughts are spinning on and on my head, it seems. They lead me back to you.
Pwede na po sila. Ito para lahat po tayo ulat. Tapos yung sa inyo po, ito. Dalawa po yung sa inyo.
Maybe it's fate that we lose control. In circles around we go. We become who we ought to know. We just gotta let it go. We just gotta let it go. So I'm coming home to you. You're all I need, the very air I breathe. You, took the morning ride, gotta leave this all behind. For with you is where I want to be. Maybe it's fate that we can't control. Go round and around it goes. And all that we seem to know, we just gotta let it go. We just gotta let it go. So I'm coming home to you. You're all I need, the very air I breathe. You are. So many questions I've thrown to the skies, and all of the answers are found in your eyes. When I'm with you, home is never too far, and my weary heart has come to rest in yours. I found a way home. 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 So I'm coming home to you. You're all I need, the very air I breathe. Coming home to you. You're all I need, the very air I breathe. You are home.
Hindi po namin naasahan na ganito karami ang ating mga kababayan sa Sitio Olanan. Kaya't kami po ay lubos na nagagalak. At ang sarap sa pakiramdam na kami ay muli nakapagpangiti at nakapagpaabot ng tulong. Sabi nga po ni Mother Teresa, let us always be each other with smile. For the smile is the beginning of love. Huli, kami po ay nagpapasalamat sa lahat ng sumama at sa lahat ng tumulong sa amin upang maging successful ang aming medical mission. Always remember that somewhere along the way, we must learn that there is nothing greater than to do something for others. And again, salamat rin po sa inyo na nanonood sa aming channel. May God bless you all and stay healthy.